My name is Tim Clare. This is a 2022 Jeep Gladiator. We installed the Project M camper on it about 3 months ago, so I've only got about 14 or so nights in it. Smart steer up front, ARB bumper, ARB winch, ARB lights. Mainly an AEV suspension. I've made a couple changes to it. 37-inch Wild Peak AT4s. I have dogs, so we removed the seats, added the cargo dog storage boxes back here, and I can also have extra storage in here. Ironman 270 awning on the mule brackets, roto packs. Inside is, it's a Project M, so you have a pretty awesome start to any way you want to build out a truck. I've basically just done it with storage boxes, added a few storage nets on the sides that are just velcroed in, added a bed rug just to add a little warmth, comfort, sound barrier. After this, I'm joining the off-grid crew and we're doing this cross Utah trip, about 800 miles, 650 of it or so, all in dirt. Should be a fantastic overland trip. And then heading back to Erie, Colorado, which is just outside of Boulder.